Namaste to all, welcome to my channel MA Tuitions. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell button, then only you will get the notifications. Today also we are continuing with the same exercise 5.2. Here is the second question. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. In that there are two sub-questions. The first is 30th term of the AP, 10, 7, 4, etc. is. Four options are given: 97, 77, negative 77, negative 87. So what's the first question? You have to find out the 30th term of this particular AP, 10, 7, 4, etc. 10, 7, 4, etc. എന്ന് പറയുന്ന APയിലെ 30th term കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. 4 ഓപ്ഷൻസ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇതിൽ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒന്നായിരിക്കും ആൻസർ that you have to find out. So we have already studied that how to find out the nth term of an AP, isn't it? So the first question, we can write the formula to find out the nth term. An equal a plus n minus 1 into d. So our AP is 10, 7, 4, etc. This is the given AP. Since this is an AP, it is given that this is an AP, no need to check. ഇത് AP ആണ് തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത് കൊണ്ട് തന്നെ നമുക്ക് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കേണ്ട കാര്യമൊന്നുമില്ല. So we can write the first term. A is 10. This is the first term. And we have to find out the common difference D. How to find out? 7 minus 10 or 4 minus 7. We can write 7 minus 10, which is equal to negative 3. Negative 3 is the common difference. We have to find out the 30th term, isn't it? 30th term. So we can write A30. So instead of this n, we can write 30. Okay. So in this equation, we have to substitute the values of a as 10, d as negative 3 and n as 30. Okay. So a is 10 plus n is 30 minus 1 and the common difference which is negative 3, which is equal 10 plus 30 minus 1 is 29 into negative 3. Okay, so we can write 10 minus 87, which is equal to 10 minus 87. In this case, you have to subtract 10 from 87. 10, 87 in the minus here. So you will get 77 and the greater number is 87. It has the sign negative. So you have to put this negative sign here. So your 30th term is negative 77. Okay, moving on to the second one. In this case also, the 11th term of the AP we have to find out, and the AP is given as negative 3, negative 1 by 2, 2, etc. And four options: first one 28, second one 22, third one negative 38, and the last one is negative 48 and half. So here also we can write an equal a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the equation to find out the nth term or the last term of the AP. Our AP is given as a negative 3, negative 1 by 2, 2, etc. This is the AP. And A is negative 3, the first term. This is the first term. And the common difference is A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2, that is negative 1 by 2 minus this negative 3. That is negative 1 by 2. When two negatives coming closer, it will get plus, isn't it? Which is 3. So we can just do like this. Negative 1 plus 3 into 2 is 6. By 2, you will get 6 minus 1, which is 5 by 2. Okay. So common difference is 5 by 2. Now we have n. We have to find out the 11th term, isn't it? So our n is 11. Now we can substitute all the values in this. We have to find out A11, 11th term. A is negative 3 plus n minus 1, that is 11 minus 1 into common differences 5 by 2. That is negative 3 plus 11 minus 10, 1 is 10. 11 minus 1 is 10 into 5 by 2. 2 and 10 get cancelled by 5. Then you will get negative 3 plus 5 into 5 is 25. And 25 minus 3 is 22. So our 11th term is 22. So in this case, second option B is the correct answer. The first question, negative 77, C is the correct answer. Got it? Third question, in the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. So 5 questions. In each of the questions, some numbers or some terms are missing. So we have to find out. Adella nammal kandupidikanam. So first question, 2-26. So in this case, first and this is the second and this is the third one. So first term A1 or A is given as 2. And this is the third one. This is the second one. We have to find out the second term and third term is given as 26. Okay, this is the question. So whenever we want to find out the terms of any terms of the AP, you have to know the first term and the common difference. Then it will be very easy, isn't it? Arithmetic progression le either term കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ എപ്പോഴും ഈസി ആയിട്ട് ചെയ്യണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എന്തൊക്കെ വേണം? First term common difference അറിഞ്ഞിരിക്കണം. So in this case, first term is given. So no problem. Now we have to find out the common difference. So from this itself we have to find out. നമുക്ക് തന്നിട്ടുള്ളതിൽ നിന്ന് എപ്പോഴും കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുകയായിരിക്കും എളുപ്പം. So third term is 26. ഈ third term 26 ആണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അതിൻ്റെ അർത്ഥം എന്താ? We know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, isn't it? So third term means a plus 3 minus 1 is 2d. So we can write a plus 2d is 26, isn't it? A plus 2d is 26. If you have to find out that the third term, you can write here 2d. If you have to find out the 10th term, you can write here 9d. Okay, just subtract 1 from the n. Okay, then you can write here. So a plus 2d is 26. A is given as 2. Then 2 plus 2d is 26, which is 2d equal to, you can take this 2 to that side, 26. 2 will be subtracted, isn't it? Minus 2, you will get 24. To find out d, we can write 24 by 2, which is 12. So common difference, d is 12 and a is 2. Now we can find out a2. a2 is a plus. If your n is 2, then you have to write here n minus 1, that is 1d, that is a plus d. A is 2 and the common difference is 12, then you can write 14. a2 is 14. So this term is 14. Okay. Now second question. Second question is, first term is missing, second term is given, third term also missing and fourth term is given, isn't it? A we have to find out. A2 is 13. A3 also missing. A4 is 3. Now from this we can write a plus. A2 is 13 means a plus d is 13. And a4 is 3 means a plus, if this is 4, you can write 3d. A plus 3d is 3. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. Now we can solve this first and second by using this. A plus d equal to 13, first equation. A plus 3d equal to 3, second equation. Since the coefficients of a are same, a the coefficients are same ആണ്. Now we can just subtract 1 minus 2. Then you will get a minus a is 0. To get more easier, the കുറച്ചുകൂടി easy ആയിട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി normally I am changing all the signs of the second equation. Okay, എല്ലാത്തിൻ്റെയും sign change ചെയ്യാം. Since this is positive, I am changing this negative. ഇതും പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണ്, മൈനസ് ആക്കി. ഇതും പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണ്, മൈനസ് ആക്കി. Then you can just add. d minus 3d means minus 2d, isn't it? വലുതിൻ്റെ സൈൻ നെഗറ്റീവ് ആണ്. 3d ന്ന് d മൈനസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 2d കിട്ടും. വലുതിൻ്റെ സൈൻ നെഗറ്റീവ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് we can just put negative. Here also 13 minus 3 is 10. വലുതിൻ്റെ സൈൻ പ്ലസ് ആണ്. So no need to put plus. Now d is 10 by negative 2. Then you will get negative 5. So we find out d, common difference as negative 5. Then we can substitute d equal to negative 5 in first equation or second equation. 1, you will get a plus d equal to 13 is the first equation. A, d is minus 5, which is equal to 13. So a equal to 13, this minus can be taken to that side, it will plus 5, okay, which is 18. So first term is 18 and the common difference is minus 5. Now we have to find out a3. Here a3 we have to find out. A we got as 18. A is 18. Now a3. A3 can be taken as a plus 2d. 18 plus 2 into d is negative 5. That is 18 minus 10, which is equal to 8. So Here this is 8 and this is 18. Third question. Third one. First term 5, second and third terms are missing and fourth term is 9, 1 by 2. So we can write a equal to 5 and this is the fourth term. Fourth term is 9, 1 by 2. 9, 1 by 2 can be taken as 9 to 2, 18, 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. Okay. Now to find out the second and third term. This is the second term, this is the third term. Okay. So, first from this we can write, since a4 equal to 19 by 2, a4 can be found out by a plus 3d, isn't it? A plus 3d is 19 by 2 and a is 5, so 5 plus 3d equal to 19 by 2. Again 3d equal to this 19 by 2, this 5 take to that side, then minus. So, 19 minus 5 into 2 is 10. 10 by 2 which is 9 by 2. Okay. So, 3d is 9 by 2. So, d equal to 9 by 2 divided by 3. That means this 9 and 3 will get cancelled. So, you will get 3 by 2. So, our common difference is d is 3 by 2 and the first term is 5. Now, it is very easy to find out a2 which is a plus d. That is 5 plus 3 by 2. 2 into 5, 10. 10 plus 3, 13 by 2. 13 by 2 is 6.5. Isn't it? Now A3. A3 is this A2 plus D. That is A2 is 13 by 2 plus D is 3 by 2. So you will get 16 by 2 which is 8. So our terms are, this is A2 is 6.5 and A3 is 8. Okay. Fourth question. In this first term, a is -4, a2, a3, a4 and a5 are not given and a6 is 6. a1, a2, a3, a4, a5 and a6 is 6. Now, from this a6 we can write a6 is a plus 5d that we have studied, which is equal to 6, isn't it? So, we can substitute this a as -4. -4 plus 5d equal to -6. That is 5d, sorry, this is 6. 5d equal to 6. This -4 take to that side, you will get 6 plus 4, 10. And d equal to 10 by 5 which is equal to 2. So, the common difference is 2 and the first term is -4. Now we can write a2, that is a plus d, -4 plus 2 which is -2. Okay. Then a3, a2 plus d, -2 plus 2 which is equal to 0. a4, that is a3 plus common difference, 0 plus 2 equal to 2. And a5 which is a4 plus common difference which is equal to 2 plus 2 which is equal to 4. So, all the terms we got as -2, 0, 2 and 4. And the last question of that third question, fifth question. First term is missing, second term is 38, isn't it? Third term is also missing, fourth, fifth is not given and the sixth term is -22. First term is missing, second term is 38, third, fourth and fifth term is also missing and sixth term is -22. Okay. So, from this we can write a plus, since the second term is 38, we can write a plus d is 38. So, this is the first equation. And in this case also, this is the sixth term. So, a plus 5d is -22. This is the second equation. As we have studied, we have to solve these two equations. A plus d equal to 38, first equation, and a plus 5d equal to -22, second equation. You can subtract, minus here, okay. A minus, you just change the sign. Since this is negative, so I put positive sign here. A minus a, 0, d minus 5d, 4d, and put the negative sign, which is equal to 38 plus 22, which is equal to 60. Okay. So, negative 4D equal to 60 means D equal to 60 by negative 4, which is negative 15. So, D equal to negative 15 and we have to find out A. So, substitute in first or second equation in 1, we will get A plus D is negative 15 equal to 38. Okay. So, A equal 38. This 15 can be taken to that side. So, it will be plus 15. So, this is 53. So, you got A as 53. Now, D negative 15 num A 53 എന്ന് നമുക്ക് കിട്ടി. ഇനി എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? We have to find out A3, A4 and A5. Okay. A3 is A plus 2D. So, A is 53 plus 2 into, what is the common difference? Which is negative 15. So, we can write 53 minus 30. So, you will get 23. Okay. Then A4. A4 is A3 plus D. So, A3 is 23 plus common difference is minus 15. So, you will get 8. Then A5. A5 is A4 plus common difference. A4 is 8 minus 15 which is equal to negative 7. So, our missing terms are A3 is 23, A4 is 8 and A5 is negative 7. Okay. So, these all are the terms. A we have already find out like this 53, isn't it? So, we will continue on the next video with the same exercise. Thank you so much for watching.